Why is it important to have a grateful heart? Having a grateful heart is a constant awareness sa goodness ng Panginoon, which is also rooted in faith. Unang-una, pag meron tayong attitude of gratitude, this leads us to focus dun sa mga bagay na pinaprovide na ni Lord kesa dun sa mga bagay na wala tayo. Having a grateful heart, hindi rin siya nakadepende kung ano yung sitwasyon na meron tayo. Because we know that God is in control. Kahit minsan hindi natin gets kung bakit natin nararanasan yun. And another one, having a grateful heart leads us to worship and teaches us to be humble. Kasi we know that God is powerful and He is in control, so dumedepende tayo sa kakayahan ng Panginoon and not on our own strength. Kapag nabubuhay tayo in gratitude, this points others to Christ kasi it makes us more loving, forgiving, and patient kasi lagi nating naaalala yung grace na binibigay din sa atin ng Panginoon which is so unlimited. So for me, para maalala ko yung goodness ni Lord araw-araw, meron akong sinusulat ng mga gratefuls for the week or for the day in this notebook. At ang sinasabi nga dito sa notebook na to is, a grateful heart sees many blessings. So kahit ang mga simple blessings lang siya, kunyari hindi ako na-late sa work, merong nag-provide sa akin ng mga bagay na kailangan o kahit mga simpleng bagay lang, sinusulat ko siya dito. And currently, I'm also reading this book from Mary Moller, which is entitled Growing in Gratitude, Rediscovering the Joy of a Thankful Heart. So this helps me be reminded na kung gaano kahalaga na magkaroon ng grateful heart every day despite of the trials, despite of the challenges sa araw-araw, meron pa rin at meron pa rin biyaya ang Panginoon. So according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verses 16 to 17, be joyful always, pray continually, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. God bless you.